We're here today setting up a holiday bar with replacements.com. Here you can see we've got a bright and festive and fun bar. We decided to go with a self-service type bar, and the showstopper on this table that really sets everything apart would have to be this beautiful chrysanthemum tray by Tiffany. It really gives great reflection and shows all the colors of the glasses. I like to use multicolored glasses during the holidays because it just feels a bit more festive and fun. A great holiday tradition of mine is to do cloved oranges. I like to pick out a pattern and carve them and put the little cloves in with the ribbon. They make a beautiful centerpiece here on this pedestal centerpiece. A fun thing to do when setting up a bar is to repurpose other items throughout your home. We have a sterling dresser tray that I've decided to put different glasses on and brighten up a corner. We also decided to repurpose this great olive fork. It can work for anything you want as far as serving goes. So if we put olives out, it works for that, and if we have lemon and lime wedges out, it works perfectly for that too. We have this beautiful Fostoria bowl with these spiced cashews, and with that we have this cut pierced nut spoon with this beautiful bird's nest detail at the end. Hi, I'm Amanda Fowler, style editor for Flower magazine.
And I'm Gates Shaw, husband of Margot Rayfield Shaw, the founder and editor-in-chief of Flower magazine.
Well, today I want to start with a vodka martini, and I like mine straight up with a twist, no vermouth. So we have lemon and lime here, but I'm going to go with lime because I think the twist that we're going to add to these glasses with the red rim is going to be really beautiful for the holidays.
Oh, thank you.
So I'm going to start and rim the glasses with lime. And then in mine, I also like to add just a little bit of juice.
Do it.
So if you're okay, I'm going to put that in there for you before you get shaking.
Each one of these drinks.
Are you lemon or lime?
I'm lime.
Good.
Here's to you, madame.
Thank you, sir. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.
And you.
We are going to make a brandy milk punch, one of my favorites.
And when did brandy milk punch become one of your favorites?
The first time I had it.
And when was that?
Probably my first trip to New Orleans. We always have it Christmas morning. You do a bourbon milk punch. I prefer brandy, but this also functions as a great dessert for the holidays. We're going to start first, we're going to do 2 parts of milk and 2 parts cream. You can't just do all cream depending on how full you are.
Are you using regular whipping cream, full cream?
And I use heavy whipping cream and whole milk. I'm a vitamin D kind of gal.
Are you?
And then 1 part brandy. To that, you're going to add just a splash of vanilla. And then some powdered sugar.
Do you take a nap after breakfast?
Not a bad idea. Then we're just going to add some powdered sugar, and we're just going to stir this gently.
Boy, that's pretty.
It is.
I love what it does to the goblet.
I do too.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Now, I do have a 6-year-old little girl, and she loves New Orleans, and she absolutely loves milk punch. So if you want to make it that way, you just leave the brandy out.
So does it have a name like a Shirley Temple when you have a Bloody
It's
Mary?
called a Feeny Fowler.
A Feeny Fowler.
How's that?
I love it. Thank you.
Sure. And then to finish this, we're just going to do a little bit of grated whole nutmeg.
That'll make a holiday.
It is a holiday.
Oh my gosh.
It's a holiday happy day.
It is to you, and thank you.
Cheers. Happy holidays.
Happy holiday.
You can find many of these items and more at replacements.com.